你好, welcome back. In this video, we continue to talk about lesson 1, but part 3. In this part, I'm going to give you some exercise to help you to enhance your knowledge of what we have learned in this lesson. So in this lesson, we have talked about 5 characters, and they're here. You can see them. But this time, there's no pinyin. So the first exercise is to recognize the characters. So let's get started from this one. Do you still remember what it is? Right? It's ni, and it means you. Okay? And if you want to write with me, please take out a piece of paper and let's write together one more time. How to write ni? Remember, whenever we are writing Chinese characters, most of the time we start from left to right, from top to the bottom. So let's write the left side first of ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? If you want to practice more, you can pause the video. Now let's move on to the second character here. This one, give me a second. This one. Do you still remember what it is? It's 我, and it means I. All right, now let's write together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's move on to next. The next character is here. What is it? Right, it's 他. Okay, is it he or she? Yeah, if you remember, I mentioned he has the same part as you on the left. So whenever you see this part, you know this is he, not she. All right, now let's write together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now let's move on to this one. So you can notice that on the right part, it's the same. So it's she, and they have the same pronunciation. That is why it's also 他. Now let's write it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, the last one. This one is 是, which means to be. And let's write this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So if you are able to write these characters not looking at them, then congratulations. You have already memorized how to write them, and that's very important when you're learning Chinese. Okay, now let's move on to the second practice. You have to read the sentences for me. So I'll give you several seconds for each sentence. Now let's look at the first one. Can you read it? 3, 2, 1. 你是 Kim. All right? 你是 Kim. You are Kim. Now, 3 seconds for the second sentence. 1, 2, 3. 我是 Tim. 我是 Tim, which means I am Tim. Now let's move on. 3, 2, 1. 他是 Tom. 他是 Tom. He is Tom. Now the last one. 3, 2, 1. 她是 Tina. 她是 Tina. She is Tina. Okay. So hopefully by these two exercises, you had a chance to practice these characters one more time. Basically, that's all of the lesson 1, but if you would like to challenge yourself, you can also watch part 4. So in part 4, I'm just going to give you harder exercise to do, so you can push your limits there. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in part 4 or in lesson 2. Bye-bye.